said, we've successfully gone through question 14. Let's move on to question 15. What is a compound name for the chemical KBr? Okay, so the first thing we have to do is figure out what it's made of. So K on the periodic table, okay, is potassium, and Br is bromine. Okay, now with this, unfortunately we're not done just quite yet. We have to first figure out what type of bond is it, because they have certain naming rules between like ionic and covalent bonds. So we look at KBr, right, and we see that potassium is a metal and bromine is a non-metal. So this is an ionic molecule slash compound. Okay, because it's an ionic molecule, you actually drop the INE from bromine, okay, and you have IDE. That is the only change you make, specifically referring to the non-metal part. You just drop it, as long as it's just an element. We're not talking about like sulfates and stuff. When it's just the element itself in the non-metal section, you just drop the INE and turn it into IDE. If you had it for something like K2S, okay, this would be potassium sulfide, because the sulfur, you drop the UR and just replace it with IDE. Okay, so with that being said though, okay, the name for this is indeed potassium bromide. Okay, the point being though, right, is that you drop the little suffix and just replace it with the correct IDE suffix. So you just have to make sure you're kind of dropping off at the right part, because phosphorus is a little bit tricky. That one you have to drop it at the after the H, so you have to drop the ORUS, so it'll be potassium phosphide. Okay, but that's how you would go about naming ionic compounds. Okay, and exactly, potassium bromide, or KBr, and that is a compound name of that chemical, and exactly because it's an ionic compound, that's why we name it like that. And it's just some fun facts here as well that they included, that it's been used actually as a veterinary drug, surprisingly. Yeah, huh. So this is correct. That is how you would name it. And let's move on to question 16.